Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wellness Wednesday Live. Please say hello if you're watching live, and it's hashtag replay if you're watching on the replay. We are going to be talking about the health benefits of passion fruit today. So, over to you, Ronald.
Yes, you in for a treat. A lot of people don't understand the value of passion fruit, right? Um, I grew passion fruit in a place called Montmorency in the town of Melbourne in Australia, and I was able to put two passion fruit plants, only two, and they were called Nelly Kelly. That was a variety, Nelly Kelly passion fruit. It was Australian renown, how powerful this passion fruit was, right? And I had a long fence about 90 meters long and with wire, and I planted two passion fruit, one on one side, one on the other, and that gave us 300 odd passion fruit in a season. I had so much passion fruit, I was able to sell about 2/3 of the crop to the organic shop down the road, and I made about 80 or 90 pounds equivalent with it. So it was very good value, right? Now we used to we had so much passion fruit, we were making passion fruit butter. We'd get goat's butter and we'd mix the inside of the passion fruit with the butter and we'd seal it back, so we'd have buttered passion fruit. And buttered passion fruit on a piece of sourdough bread was magic, especially with goat's cheese, right? Now, passion fruit is a very unusual fruit. It's like a bulb like that, like a ball, and the skin can be hard or it can be soft depending on the variety, right? But inside is the magic. Inside, and it's a very useful fruit. I'll tell you why in a minute. First of all, the inside is like little black seeds covered in the yellow pulp. Okay, extremely sweet if you grow it properly organically. So that's the inside. That pulp is full of vitamin C. I mean, loaded with vitamin C, beta carotene, potassium, selenium, silicon, magnesium. As long as you feed it organic, you're going to get all those minerals feeding in the passion fruit. And the more minerals you put in the soil, and including seaweed, by the way, the sweeter and the more fleshy the passion fruit becomes, right? So you get all these key minerals, but two other things that are more powerful even that is the level of vitamin C content is through the roof. One passion fruit has got more vitamin C than two oranges. One. Okay? And then on top of that, when you combine the seeds covered in the yellow pulp, it provides a very unusually high level of fiber, which is excellent for your digestive system. Right? So when you eat two or three passion fruit, that gives you around 12 grams of fiber. Now, remember what I keep saying. You need 38 grams of fiber every single day for the bowels to be flushed of all excess waste, okay? Now, so when you eat three or four passion fruit per day, say with your breakfast or as a dessert at night or whatever, that is going to give you about 12 to 13 grams of fiber, which goes a long way towards your 38 grams, right? So when you add your other things like your rolled oats and so on and your apples, you're going to get your 38 grams. And that's the key. And that's got to be achieved every single day. Now, I haven't tried growing passion fruit here simply because I just can't get the seedlings, right? And I've been trying to get the seedlings or the seeds, and I can't. And I'm sure passion fruit would grow here in summer as long as it's got a sunny wall and wire through it, and it gets 6 hours of sunshine every day. It should grow. Passion fruit absolutely loves sun, right? Now, in addition to all the wonderful attributes, vitamin C, minerals, and so on, and when you make butter, goat's butter, it's tasty, but it's quite plain. But when you mix the butter with the passion fruit pulp, including the seeds, it becomes very tasty on a piece of toasted sourdough bread. Okay, really, really delicious. Also, when you're doing rolled oats, you can cut a passion fruit in half or two and scoop the seeds, including the yellow, and put that in your rolled oats and grate some apple with it, put some honey with it, and bingo, you've achieved an enormous amount of fiber and vitamin C with your breakfast. It helps the oats to digest well. So the roughage that provides cleans your gut out very thoroughly. Okay.
We can
Now,
probably also add it to like a fruit salad as well.
yes. Oh,
That'll
yes.
be really
Yeah.
nice.
If you mix it, believe it or not, if you mix it with pineapple, mango, grated apple, grated pear, and passion fruit, that gives you an amazing passion fruit salad. Right? You grate everything else first. You can also put papaya, and then you put the passion fruit on the top and let it soak in there. And if you had a bit of honey with it, oh wow, amazing! And so the enzymes you get from that combination, passion fruit, pineapple, apples, pears, and what do we say?
Pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple,
Yeah.
phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so let us know if you can get hold of passion fruit
Or
and
the
let us,
passion fruit
or the passion
seeds.
fruit seed, and then we'll be very grateful.
Yeah, so I hope you found this video useful.
Yeah.
Please do give us a like and share our video as well. If you're watching on YouTube on the replay, please remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can also follow our channel and get good videos 3 times a week.
Yes.
So till next week, take care and have an amazing week.
If I can just add this, I've just added. I do remember the kids were being fed this passion fruit for about 3 months, right, during the season. They never got sick. They never got any flu. They never got any colds. And their skin were always being commented on by the teachers because they said their skin that our kids had was so much better than the other kids who had acne and pimples and God knows what else. And it was a combination of passion fruit and other fruits we're giving them on a daily basis.
And it's also a good source of hydration as
Oh,
well because
yes,
it's
it
quite
is.
juicy.
Yeah, yeah. If you can't get passion fruit, see if you can get passion fruit juice. You can get it in some places.
Okay, till
Okay.
then, take care. Have a
Right.
good week. Bye bye.
Bye.